Hi everyone! Today I'm gonna make a beer chicken wings. I hope they will be the crowd pleaser for your parties or games. Are you ready for World Cup? Are you gonna watch it? I'm excited. Yay! And let me show you the simple ingredients. First, let's start with aromatics. I have 2 green onions. Always separate white part from green. And just give them a smack. Leave a whole pieces like that. And we just need a little bit to garnish in the end. That should be enough. And ginger, just need the pieces. Optional, I have some dried chili peppers. If you want a little bit of heat, we just break them. Because you don't want to bite down the seeds, or seeds also give a lot of heat. So that's all the aromatics. I have about 2 pounds of chicken wings. I already cleaned. And we just need to dry them with paper towel. I'm gonna use a Budweiser beer. You can only use any kind of beer. And let's cook. I'm gonna heat up the pan to high. Add some oil. Use avocado oil. You can use any vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, let's add our chicken wings. Take a 2 to 3 minutes one side, and we're gonna flip. Did I forget the ginger slices? Sorry. After about 3 minutes, let's flip them. And cook another 3 minutes. After another 3 minutes, let's add some salt. And dark soy sauce, if you have it, for color. There's our green onions, the white part. And optional, some chili peppers, and followed by a beer. That should be enough, just about 2/3 of a tin. Wow, it smells good. Now we just cover it. And medium heat. Let's cook about 15 minutes. After about 12 minutes, let's check on them. Wow, looking good. Can also flip to the other side. Now we just turn the heat to high. Let the liquid evaporate. After a few minutes, you can see no more liquid, but just fat. And our wing is ready. Wow, beautiful. Don't they look great?
Oh, looks amazing.
Wow. Very golden brown and a little sticky. You ready to try?
I'm ready.
Start with 2.
Yeah,
Is enough?
2.
Cheers.
Cheers. That's amazing. Wow.
The beer plays the role of cooking wine, right? But with flavor. It's really good, and have a little bit of heat from chili peppers, and it's a little sticky.
Wow, it's delicious.
So simple to make, right?
Could easily finish all those, no problem.
And I know the wing nets, sometimes it can be expensive, but buy them and freeze them when they're on sale. And also if you mind alcohol, you probably can try ginger beer, right? So good.
Excellent.
Cheers to holidays, to all the games, and please try to make it. So simple, so delicious. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.